Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this new simple model I just designed. Check it out. It's Origami Hills. See, here's one hill and there's the other hill behind it. And yeah, it's pretty cool and it's super simple and I'm going to teach you how to fold it. Okay, so for this model we're going to use a 6-inch sheet of kami. So let's begin with the white side up. So this will give me, so the front hill will be colored and the back one will be white. And fold in half. Okay, and fold in half the other way. Okay, now rotate like this, and I guess I'll zoom in a little bit, and take this edge and fold it to here. And repeat. Okay, now unfold this part here, and this is going to be the back hill, this point here. And now we're going to work on the front hill, so we're going to take this edge and fold it to the crease. And repeat on this side. Okay, and now take this point and fold it to here. Okay, remember if I'm going too fast you can always pause the video and catch up. Okay, and now we're actually going to start rounding it now, so we're going to round it into a hill. So unless if you want a simple looking hill like that, but it's not round, so let's go ahead and round it. So just fold this corner in, just about like that, it's to taste. And repeat on this side. Just round it into a hill. Alright, and fold this up like this, and there is one hill. Okay, now if you want to make a second hill behind it, like further off in the distance, then here's how to do that. So we're going to make the white hill now. So, yep, unfold this flap and take this edge and fold it to this crease. Okay, and this fold, this is really to taste. We're just rounding it off. So you can look at it from this side here. And also make sure you hold this layer down so it doesn't slide. So just, you can look at it from here. And yeah, but if you're satisfied with that, you can make that fold nice and sharp. I'm going to make it like this. Do make sure the fold hits this point. Okay, and now round this part off too. Just fold this into taste. Alright, and just round it into a hill in your way. So just keep folding it behind so until you're satisfied with it. See? And there you go, that looks like a hill. So yeah, there it is. And that is the completed model. So there's one hill and a hill behind. And alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and were able to fold it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.